We're talking today about a situation involving a trip to the ER. Back with us, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, fresh off the slopes today. Guys, how was your skiing today?
Oh, great. It was good. Nobody got injured. So.
I'm glad you worked some fun into your busy schedule.
Nobody got hurt.
That is always a good thing. All right, for our question today, someone that did get hurt, my sister was having chest pain, and we took her to a local ER. She had to wait for 3 hours before being seen, and they discharged her without doing any tests. She then had a heart attack a few hours later and is now in intensive care. What do we have to do to sue the hospital? This is from Maria in Dushore.
Well, Maria, the first thing that you're going to have to do is make sure that your sister has a complete set of her medical records. Her medical records would include, labs, blood tests, all the documentation, and depending on the hospital she's at, a lot of this is electronic now, so you can get those documents, online. But it's really important. I would get a complete set of those records while your sister is still in the hospital. And then the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get to an attorney that handles medical malpractice cases, because the records are going to have to be immediately reviewed. That's kind of the very beginning of what you're going to have to do here, and Greg could pick it up from there on what it's going to take. But
well, and obviously we could use a little more information because, again, we don't know the condition of your sister, but it sounds like, it's a clear case of malpractice, but again, the fact, it always factors into what are the extent of the damages. Hopefully she makes a great recovery and there's not a lot to talk about after that, but if things, unfortunately go the wrong way, then, you're clearly going to have a case that will, everyone would be interested in pursuing on your behalf. So, I mean, again, this is one where we need a little bit more information, but Ed's always right. These types of cases, get your records, make sure you have everything, and then when you get to a lawyer, it's a lot easier.
Someone that may be watching that has been in a situation like this, isn't sure, needs legal direction, how can they reach you guys?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
I wish my wife would tell me I'm always right. Never happens.
No.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it this week.
All right, Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.